All right, this is just a quick overview and training session on the radio station that you're going to use for your radio shows. Just looking at the board here. The only one that you really have to worry about on here is mic 1, which is going to be your mic right here in front of you. And if you're going to use your iPad, you're going to want to turn that up. You're definitely going to use iTunes 2, iTunes 1 and iTunes 2, and you probably might use the internet. So this computer right in front of you, you can call up things on YouTube and you can play it off of channel 15 and 16 on internet. This needs to be always up. That's why it's taped up. This is your control room knob. So as far as what these speakers are putting out, you want to make sure that this is up. Before you talk, you need to turn off these speakers, or just turn it down. Right now it's up, and if you have it all the way down, you won't have feedback when you talk into your microphone. To turn on your microphone, you turn that all the way up, and you talk. Put your headphones on. Make sure that you have your headphones on. To record your show, you're going to grab the white mouse over here. You're going to go to this computer. You're going to double click on GarageBand. Let this load up here. You're going to make a new project, go up to File. You're going to go to New. You're going to go New Music Project, and you put in your first and last name using the white keyboard. First and last name. NAME. Grab the mouse and we're going to go to the desktop. So select the desktop right here, desktop, and you get your first and last name, and we're going to hit create. Your piano is going to come up. We're going to shut the piano. We're going to go up to control, shut off your metronome, which is right here. Go to control, shut off metronome. Go to track, new track. Real instrument. This soundboard right here is a real instrument, so we're going to hit real instrument to hit create, and then go to vocals, no effects, and you want your monitor off. You want channel 1 and 2 stereo. This can stay the same. When you talk into your microphone, you should be able to see your VU meters going back and forth. Let me turn the microphone on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. You can see that the VU meters are moving back and forth. You do not want it into the red, so make sure that you do not have it in the red. Your internet computer, it's going to be this mouse right here. It's the Microsoft mouse and the black keyboard. Anything that you want to look up on your internet as far as weather or sports or news or songs from YouTube, you're going to use the black keyboard and use the mouse and use the internet computer. Next thing over here, we've got iTunes 1 and we've got iTunes 2. I have loaded all of the student liners in here. Let me play a couple here for you. iTunes 1, make sure that iTunes 1 is up. Make sure that iTunes 2 is up for now. We're going to go to, we've got some music in here. If you go to music, turn this a little bit. If you go to music, you've got about 500 songs in here. So you should have your own music picked out, but if you don't, there's some music in there. Let's see, if we go to student liners, 2015 student liners, everybody's liner is in here according to the name that you gave me. So if we click on, let's click on Michael Bay.
You're listening to Michael Bay here on 192.1 The Roar, Farmington's hit music station.
All right, so after that's done playing, it will just pause. So nothing else is going to happen. You can make a new sequence. You can come down here to this plus sign and make a new sequence, make a new playlist basically. Your station liners, 192 station liners are right here. Those are the ones that we had Mr. Gottwig make. So if you click it, that's not Mr. Gottwig.
Playing the most music. You're listening to 192.1 The Roar.
Okay, so you can play those in between songs if you so choose to do that. The same liners are on this same computer over here on iTunes 2, input 11 and 12, which coincides with the board iTunes 2, 11, and 12. We have station liners, which is the ones that Gottwig made for us. And then we've got student liners right here. So if we go to Bready Ready, here we go.
You're listening to Bready Ready here on 192.1 The Roar, Farmington's hit music station.
Okay, so that's a student liner, and we also have some news bed music in here. So if you click on this, if you want to talk over some music at all, you'll call up iTunes 2, have that playing in the background while you talk, so your show doesn't sound boring or anything like that. There's also some sports bed music if you want to talk over your sports. There's some sports bed music. It just kind of like fills in instead of having like dead air behind your voice while you talk, it sounds a lot better to have something behind your voice. It provides a little bit more energy while you're doing your radio show. Here again, we also have student liners and station liners. So you are all set. The only thing that you need to bring with you for your show is your music, if you are bringing your own, and your voice, and have fun. It's gonna be a great time. 10 minutes, 10-minute show. One other thing, when you are recording, make sure that we have a little sign up here, remember to record your radio show. We have had students do a whole entire half hour and forget to record their show. So in order to record your show, you're gonna go down here to this red record button and hit record. And if you wanna know how long your show is going to be, if you go down here, there's a little time thing, there's a little clock. That's giving you how long in minutes your show is going to be. So right now we're at 12 seconds, 13, 14. All right, and so then when you're recording your voice, if we talk into our microphone, you can see that the VU meters are moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if we play some music, those things should be showing up. You should also be seeing some waveforms being recorded, okay? If you have any questions on this video, come and see me as soon as you possibly can. Thanks.